Mariela Duran Snyder and Consuelo Clemente de la Rosa, and of course, Myla Taiko Uritain. To award our Miss Gay Balogo World. Miss Gay Balogo World, gathering an average score of 95.2% is Ensley Lasala, USA, number 8. Rita Olekukit, Dr. Ian Reyes Reneva, and Roxy Paradela to award for the winner. And of course, our last year's winner, Miss Gay Universe 2023, Vibory Bahrain. Miss Gay Balogo Universe 2024 is gathering an average score of 96.2%. At magre-resign na siya after this. Candidate number 9! So, sabi ni Sir Goblay, our 4 finalists here are the official candidate for Miss Gay Pasacao, Summer Capital. O yung winners natin, dito na kayo together with our judges for pictorial. Judges, lahat po kayo dito na, pictorial. Mga judges, SK Council, dito na po pictorial. Okay. This is the resignation of Aki Wawel. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Gay winners 2024, together with our panel of judges.